Once again, it's time for Everyday Science on the show, and from the Department of Physics at the University of Guelph in Ontario, we have Professor Ernie McFarland.
Good morning.
And Tom Kehn.
Good morning.
Lab technician, and a couple of balloons there in this skewer. What's going on, guys?
Well, we've got this really sharp skewer.
You're going to pop some balloons.
So people can see it.
Way to go.
Well, you know what happens with a sharp skewer and a balloon.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
It pops. Now, it's an everyday occurrence.
True.
And this is something that folks at home can try, about what I'm going to show you in just a moment. The reason the balloon pops, though, we have to understand that.
Yeah.
Okay? The balloon has been stretched. And when you put a little hole in it, because of the stretching, this whole balloon is under tension, and it essentially just increases the size of that little hole that you made. It just rips itself apart, and it makes that big pop.
All right.
But there's one little spot right there, just opposite where you blow it up. There's this little spot where you can see it's a different color. And, the balloon has not been stretched very much there.
There's extra rubber there, eh?
So I can take the skewer, and I can actually push it. It's now right inside the balloon, right?
Ah.
And now, just beside where you blew it up, the rubber isn't stretched very much either. And I'm just going to hold this up to the light so I can see what's going on. I'm pushing the skewer into the balloon, and now here it is. There we go. And I got a balloon on a skewer. The skewer has gone right through. The balloon hasn't burst. It's just sitting there on a skewer.
Isn't that something?
Now, people at home can try this with just a balloon. You can, instead of, well, if you have a skewer around, that's fine. You could even use the little bamboo skewers for Oriental food. Or you can take a metal coat hanger and cut off the bottom part and sharpen up one end. And I can actually now take this skewer. We put a little bit of Vaseline on it. So I can pull this right through, and the Vaseline will plug up the two little holes. And you can see, so there's the balloon. Loses a little bit of air. And there's nothing magic about this balloon, because if I do it on the side where it's stretched, it just explodes.
The placement is critical.
The placement. So it's a lot of fun you can have with just everyday science.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.